Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So before we get into it, my daughter gave me a call at work the other day, say, hey dad, your channel is not being monetized anymore. And I go, what do you mean? I mean, I didn't violate any rules or anything. He said, no. From the new rules from YouTube is that you have to have over, I can't remember if it's 4,000 or 10,000 worth of hours viewed. I don't remember what I have, but apparently I don't have enough hours viewed. Even though the ads were up and running, I was making chump change from what was going on. I'm not making that anymore. So apparently I have to get more hours viewed. And guys, the only way we're gonna do that is if you guys keep watching the videos, sharing the videos, like the videos, subscribe, you know, all that great stuff. But the more you watch it, the more thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever your thing is, the more of that you do, the better ranking my videos get and get to the top so other people can see it. So like I know data is a problem here in Canada where you shoot your data on YouTube like that, but when you go home or when you get some Wi-Fi, come on, throw on some F.A.T mods, watch some videos, give some thumbs up, share it with a friend and tell them to share it so we can get these ads back up and running so I can make some more chump change. I'm not like a big YouTuber like people like Tavares and, you know, TJ Hunt. I'm nowhere close to those guys yet, but maybe one day we'll get there. But for now, I'm small fry, but one day we will get there. And you know what? I'm sure you guys want to see how the M5 is going to look when it's done, how the X5 is going to look when it's done, how the M3 is going to look when it's done, how that E90 335i is going to look when it's done. And guess what? There's another new car coming to the channel. And no, it's not a BMW. You're going to have to wait to see that one. I can't wait to see that one. That's all I'm going to say for now. The second thing is I have a subscriber who has never had anything positive to say, and I see him do it to other people too. I think that's what he does. He just goes around and rips into people. I don't give a damn, but I have a message from my wife, because the last time I was saying I'm gonna do videos on the X5, his idea was that it's not all about me, but I should go buy my wife some diamonds. Well, here's a message from my wife. She don't need no more diamonds. She have enough diamonds. She have the one that matters, the one on her fingers. She got ones for her ears. She got ones for her neck that she doesn't even wear. All she cares about is the one on her hand, and she loves it to death. So her thing is shut the hell up and mind your own business. You know who you are. I'm not gonna call any name, but you know who you are. She wants her car looking damn good because she's into cars just like I am. That's why it's so nice for me to just do whatever I want. Because now she keeps bothering me. When are you gonna lower it? When are you gonna put wheels on it? Wheels? Who said anything about wheels? I said I was gonna lower it. I never said anything about wheels, but she's all into cars like I am, which I love her for. So guess what? Mind your own business, you know who you are. Enough of that. I'm gonna get to the putting some carbon in both cars, because everything's getting carbon. No matter what car comes here, it's getting carbon. And the real stuff, not the fake stuff or the wraps, it's real carbon. So I'm gonna do the wing and the mirror caps on the M3, and her car is just a regular blacked out front grille and also mirror cap. So let me stop jabbering, yabbing, whatever I do, and I do. Let me get to stop doing that and get to the cars. Well guys, you know what? Sometimes I really hate these cameras. So batteries in the camera, batteries in the mic is on, the mic is plugged in, and no audio. And I didn't find that out until the car was done and gone. Then I find out, guess what? No audio for when I'm actually explaining what I was doing with the mirror caps. So because it's double-sided tape, once you stick it down, it ain't moving. and you also heat it up to make it stick better. So what you do is spray a little bit of Windex, not a lot, just a little bit on the mirror cap so it's a little bit slippery. So you get time to adjust the mirror cap before you put it on. And once you heat it up with the heater, once you heat it up, all that will dry out nicely and it will stick permanently. It ain't coming up until you rip that thing off. But that will help you stick it in the right spot, because if you don't do that and it sticks, you're gonna be ripping it up and you might end up breaking the cap, because once the double-sided tape sticks, it sticks. So that's just a little tip I have.
Lay down beside me, do it again. It's never over until I finish. Lay down beside. Don't be a fool, baby. I know you've changed. It's in my nature, and it's okay. You're a part of me, yeah.
I wish we had this car in the sun so you could see it better, but maybe if we try the other side you can see. Oh yeah, there's more light on the other side. So man, I don't know if this camera is doing it justice, but I can tell you it looks damn good. And then the pièce de résistance, look at that thing. Oh my god, this thing looks so good from behind. Oh, here comes the sun. This thing looks really good. There it is. This should give him an extra 50 horsepower. Let's hope he can handle it. Oh my god, but this thing looks damn good, I tell you. Wow. And now for the X5, we did the same thing. We did the mirror caps. Same carbon fiber. But the sun's not really out today. And the front grills. Oh, the wife is gonna love this. Look how mean it looks. This is how it should look. So we have the double kidney grill. Everybody's got grill. We got grill here, grill over there. We also got the, there we go with mine. Everybody got wing and mirror caps and grill, but that's how they should look. Well, I can tell you, they look damn good. I mean, the owner for the M3, he loves it, and he doesn't really get, but he's like, it's finally coming together. After so many years, it's finally coming together. And he likes it, and I think it looks damn good. I'm telling you, just looking at it in the sun, that thing looks good. But enough jabbering through this video, enough chatting, enough all of that shit. So guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you already subscribed, just share these videos and do all that great stuff that all you subscribers do. And you know, thanks for tuning in and watching all my videos on my screw ups and my fast talking and all that shit, all that stuff for now. But just keep sharing, liking, subscribing, and we're gonna get back up there and start making some chump change and maybe some real change. Because everything that I'm doing to these cars is coming out of my pocket, and they ain't cheap. But I know you guys don't care about that. But I want to keep bringing you guys great content. So keep watching. And you know what? That's it for now. So laters.